Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken meatballs. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pound of ground chicken, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, and your favorite seasonings. You'll also want some finely chopped onion and garlic for extra flavor. These simple components are the foundation for delicious, tender meatballs that everyone will love. Getting these basics right ensures a fantastic starting point for your culinary creation. Now let's mix and shape. In a large bowl, combine your ground chicken, breadcrumbs, egg, and seasonings. Add your chopped onion and garlic. Mix everything gently with your hands until just combined. Overmixing can make them tough. Then, roll the mixture into meatballs, aiming for about 1 1/2 inches in diameter. Uniform size is key for even cooking, so try to make them all similar. There are several great ways to cook your chicken meatballs. You can bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes until golden brown. For a crispy exterior, pan fry them in a little olive oil. Alternatively, simmer them directly in your favorite sauce for 25 to 30 minutes, which keeps them incredibly moist. An air fryer also works wonderfully, cooking them quickly and evenly. Finally, it's time to enjoy your delicious chicken meatballs. They are incredibly versatile. Serve them over a bed of spaghetti with a rich marinara sauce for a timeless classic. For a different twist, try them with a creamy mushroom sauce and rice. They also make fantastic appetizers with a sweet chili or barbecue dipping sauce. Or pile them into a toasted sub-roll with melted cheese for an amazing sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.